Hello dear students, welcome to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated at Kolabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video we have completed the chapter number 2 and their exercises. So now we are moving to the next, that is poem. So for that you all take out your new Gems English Reader book. Dear student, we have completed the chapter number 2 and the name of that chapter is The Lost Ship. So now today we are going to start the next one, that is poem. So for that, first of all you have to take out your new Gems English Reader book and open this poem, that is Clouds. Just you all open page number 16. Student, on page number 16 there is a poem and the title of this poem is Clouds. So first of all we are going to read and after that I will explain this poem to you. So let's start the reading. So student, there is a first line, white sheep on a blue hill. There is a first line, white sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. Student, first line is white sheep, as you can see. In the sky there is a white clouds look like a ship. So there is a white sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. Next line is, when the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? So student, let's one more time we are going to read this poem. You all repeat after me. So there is a first, white sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? So dear student, first of all I am going to tell you about the poem. So this poem is written by Christina Rostin and the name of the poem is Clouds. In this poem the poet is imagining cloud as a ship because the whole poem is based on imagination of poet. And the poet of this poem is Christina Rostin. Okay student, this whole poem is based on imagination of poet because the poet imagined clouds as a ship. So student, first of all there is a first line we have to read in this poem, that is white sheep on a blue hill. So in this line, in these two lines, white sheep on a blue hill, in this line the poet wants to say that blue hill is nothing but the sky. There is a word blue hill, so blue hill is nothing but the sky. Here the poet is indicating white sheep as a cloud. White sheep as a cloud. Now the next line, when the wind stops, you all stand still. The next line, after the white sheep on a blue hill, the next third and fourth line is, when the wind stops, you all stand still. So student, in this line the poet says that when there is no wind, the cloud stands still. When there is no wind, the cloud stands still, and when the wind stops, the ship stands still. When the wind blows, that time the ship walk. After this line, the next line is, when the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. So student, in this line the poet want to say, that when the air blows, wind means air. Student, there is a word wind and we know that the meaning of wind is air. Okay. So when the air blows, then the ship is walking slowly, and when the wind stops, the white ship stands still. Okay student, so now we moving to the next, the last line. There is white sheep, where do you go? The next last two line is, the last two lines are white sheep, where do you go? So in this line, the poet is asking to white sheep that is in clouds, where do you go? Where are you going? So dear student, this is the poem, and in this poem the poet is imagining the clouds as a sheep, because the whole poem is based on imagination of poet. So dear student, I hope is that clear to you. So one more time we going to again read this poem, and my dear student, you also read and learn this given poem. It is a very beautiful poem, so you have to learn this given poem. Okay student, and you also write this beautiful poem in your notebook. So let's start the reading. So dear student, white sheep on a blue hill, when the wind stops you all stand still. White sheep on a blue hill, when the wind stops you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? White sheep, where do you go? So these are the line of this poem. So you have to learn it. Okay student. Now we moving to the next, that is exercise. So let's do the exercise. First of all, you have to mention CW and date, and after that you have to start the exercises. So dear student, first of all there is a first exercise, exercise A. So what will we do in this exercise? So write T for true or F for false. So student, we have to write T for the true statement. That statement is correct, so we have to write there T on the given blanks. And if the statements are false, if the statements are wrong, so for the wrong we have to write F, it means false. Okay, so we have to write only T and F, T for true or F for false. So let's do it. So first is the white sheep are in ship. Dear student, tell me the first statement is true or false. There is a statement that white sheep are in a ship. So no, we have to learn in this poem that white sheep are in the clouds, not in ship. So this statement is false. So first have already done for you. Next is the white sheep stands still when the wind stops. So tell me, this statement is true or false? So yes dear student, this statement is true, that we have learned in this poem that the white sheep stands still when the wind stops. Now the third is the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. The white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. So tell me, this is true or false? So yes, it is true, because the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. So we have to write here T. Okay. In number 1 there is false. This is false statement. Second one is true statement. So for true we have to write here T. And third one is true. So we have to write here true. Okay, T. Now the fourth is the sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. So dear student, tell me, this sentence is true or false? The sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. So no, it is wrong, because the wind make the white sheep walk slowly. Okay, so it is wrong statement. So for the wrong statement we have to write here F, because it is false. So like this we have to write true or false. So let's one more time we going to check this exercise. So first is the white sheep are in a ship. So it is false. So we have to write F here on the given blanks. Second one is the white sheep stands still when the wind stops. So yes, it is true. So we have to write here T. Third is the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. So yes, it is true. So we have to write here T. Fourth is the sun make the white sheep walk slowly. So it is false. So we have to write here F. Okay students, like this you have to complete this exercise A. Now moving to the next exercise, that is read aloud with your teacher. So dear student, you have to read this given words along with me. Okay. So let's start the reading. First there is, as you can know, that there are total 26 alphabet letters. There are total 26 letters in alphabets, and there's 5 are vowels and 21 are consonant. So we have to learn the vowel sound. Okay, so first we all know that there are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. So we have to read the vowel sound. So first sound is A. So there is a first word cat, C-A-T, cat. After that H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. After that next vowel sound of E, that is B-E-D, bed. H-E-N, hand. P-E-N, pen. W-E-B, web. Okay, now the next vowel sound of I, F-I-N, fin. L-I-D, lid. L-I-P, lip. S-I-P, sip. Now the next vowel sound of O, C-O-T, cod. D-O-T, dot. F-O-X, fox. H-O-T, hot. Now the next vowel sound of U, C-U-P, cup. C-U-B, cub. N-U-T, nut. And S-U-N, sun. Okay student, so one more time we are going to read this given words. First is C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. Next is B-E-D, bed. H-E-N, hand. P-E-N, pen. W-E-B, web. Now next is F-I-N, fin. L-I-D, lid. L-I-P, lip. S-I-P, sip. C-O-T, cod. D-O-T, dot. F-O-X, fox. H-O-T, hot. Next C-U-P, cup. C-U-B, cup. N-U-T, nut. And S-U-N, sun. So like this you have to read these given words and also learn it. Okay student, now moving to the next, that is exercise C. So what will we do in exercise C? So student, this is fun time for you. So in exercise C, what do you think are the white sheep? Take the correct words. So student, there are 3 examples, so we have to take the correct one. So we all know that white sheep are in a cloud, so we have to take clouds. Okay student, so like this you have to do this exercise. We have to take only the correct one. We have to take the only correct one, that is clouds, not this. Okay, so we have to cross it and we have to take the correct one. So like this you have to complete this exercise. So dear student, that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you. So your homework is you have to learn this given poem. Okay student, so now till then stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.